Well, this afternoon, which is Constitution Day, celebrating the 225th birthday of the U.S. Constitution, Waynesburg University Stover Scholars presented a play, which actually two of the Stover Scholars wrote, about the 1905 Supreme Court case, Lochner versus New York. The decision this year was to focus on a case that not many people knew about, but upon further reflection, they could see how a case dealing with a baker in New York City actually affected the way we view the role of government at this very moment.
I cannot believe I was fined and arrested for simply allowing you to work.
What is the fine for it?
It says that the fine is for allowing you to work for more than 10 hours a day.
As long as I agree to work more than 10 hours a day, I see no reason why you should be fined.
So we got the background, the factual situation, the actual deliberations of the justices, and commentary with the narrator and James Madison.
So why do we need checks and balances at all?
Well, that is a very interesting question, and I'm glad that you asked. Let me put it this way. If angels were to govern men, then neither external nor internal controls of government would be necessary. However, this is not the case. The tendency of...
They may have sided with Mr. Lochner, they may have sided against him, they might have agreed with Justice Holmes or Justice Harlan, or in the majority opinion of Justice Peckham. But it is to keep the conversation and the curiosity rolling.
This court has oftentimes upheld the right of states to prevent individuals from making certain kinds of contracts. If the state's intervention reasonably relates to the safety, health, morals, and general welfare of the public, then the state statute is valid, and there is no prohibition against it.
One of the purposes of the Stover Center is to promote a greater public understanding of the U.S. Constitution and how we all are impacted by it every day. And we want to encourage people to ponder how they would rule if they were Supreme Court justices.
The 14th Amendment does not enact Herbert Spencer's social status. This court has showed many examples of having the safety and interests of the citizens in mind.
The law that was going to restrict the number of hours that a single person could work in a day will not take effect. By it being reversed, the entire law will not take effect. You and Mr. Schmitter also have the freedom to make a contract as long as both of you honor it.
So I can still work the hours that I want?
Absolutely. With this decision, similar legislation will be difficult to be passed. This decision not only affects the present, but the future as well.